Greetings, Earthlings. Today we're going to take a look at the Parts Express part number 240-398. It's a XLR female to quarter-inch male line matching transformer with a 6-inch cable. But when you look at it, you say, oh, I want to use that as a microphone input transformer. And in fact, I'm using it right now. You're hearing it. And signal path is an electro-voice RE15 microphone through the transformer into this ancient realistic stereo mixing console circa 1980, in which I've replaced all the electrolytic capacitors, so it has never sounded better, into a digital analog converter and into my computer, and I'll sync that up. Sync the sound up with the picture when I'm done, so you don't have to listen to the camera audio. So it sounds, I think, pretty good, right? Pretty quiet. Now, you may notice there's some foil here. What's up with that? Well, let's take it off, find out. Look at this. Oh, that's not good. Let me switch to a good one. Okay, I bought 3 of these. I bought one just to test to see, because there had been some reports on the Parts Express website that they hummed. So I bought one, tried it, it worked. That's this one that we're using right now. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, it was good enough, if you're careful. And so I bought 2 more. And boy, did they hum. And this one you just heard is after I attempted a fix. So the problem is that the shield in the cable is not connected. So basically they're using an unshielded twisted pair on the high impedance unbalanced signal, which is pretty stupid. Now let's look at number 3 here. This one I've put back to the way they came, and so let's see how that sounds. Yeah. Okay, you get the idea. Some of them out of the box, for whatever reason, this one uses different cable, and the shield is connected. But obviously some of them, different batch or whatever, have a crummy cable. We've seen it's a shielding problem from the foil. I think now what I'd like to do is cut one of these cables open and have a look at the shielding, because we can't really tell anything from that. That's just you can kind of see. Maybe I don't know if that's going to focus in or not. But that's like a twisted pair. I don't even know if it's a twisted pair. It's a pair. Definitely a pair. So, try cutting this open. Whoops. And don't bang the microphone. Don't bang the microphone. Okay, this is looking good here. Let's see. From there to there. Okay. Oh, there I go, banging the microphone again. Oh, I called Parts Express, and, they were certainly willing to take it back. So this is not, I'm not down on Parts Express. I'm down on their supplier. Okay, well, I think you can see that. That's pretty lame shielding, and obviously not good enough in this environment, which is a normal home environment. So the thing to do is replace that cable. And if you're not up to doing that, then I wouldn't buy these. Pure and simple. Okay, some time has passed now since the last segment of the video. That's what the transition was there for, you see. That meant time passes. And by golly, I have fixed these cables. These are the ends of them. And I actually replaced the phone plugs as well. I got some Nutric connectors just because I don't want to mess with these cheapo things. So this is the cable I used, and that is from Mogami. And you can see the shielding is much better than what was than whatever was in that original cable. So that's Mogami microphone cable, which is what I had available to me. So, and don't hit the microphone. Here they are. Let's see now. I have these numbered. Number 3. So there's the Nutric connector, you see. Otherwise, it looks just kind of like it did before. Number 3 was the one that hummed really bad because it didn't have the shield connected at all. So let's see how it sounds now. Well, that's a lot better. I'm hearing a little hum, though. Pretty darn good. Or maybe that's just room noise that you can now hear that you couldn't hear with the other one. I don't know. Let's see how number 2 sounds. I guess that can't qualify as room noise because you hear it when the phone plug is plugged in, but the microphone is not hooked up. Now, these have that same fuzziness right there that the other one had. But otherwise, I would call them acceptable at this point. So there you go. Shielding matters a lot. You'd think it's not a big deal. It's a 6-inch cable, not going very far, not much chance to pick up interference. But by golly, it does. And once again, this one demonstrates that they are, whoever the manufacturer is, and who knows, there may be more than one, and, these things just all look alike, but there could be multiple actual manufacturers. But somebody knows how to make them, right, to begin with. Just not the guys who made those. All right, I want to try one more thing. Hang on. Okay, I can edit that out. I've got another microphone here. This is a PL9. So I'm going to try that. Well, that was interesting. When I unplugged the microphone, there's your RE15 there. For those who have never seen an RE15. I bought this many years ago from B&H, and I tried to buy some other microphone. I forget what it was, but he says, "Oh, it's discontinued." Oh, okay. And I said, "Well, okay, I want a pair of RE15s. Those aren't discontinued, are they?" And he said, "To discontinue those, that would be like discontinuing oxygen." Well, of course, they're now discontinued, so you can't buy them. Anyway, this is what a PL9 sounds like. If you ever should run across one of them, they are very nice microphones as well. So that's a wrap.